Can you hear me? Hmm. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I can.
I'm going to share my screen.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, it goes.
I know I'm beautiful, but probably be a little more useful.
Yeah, definitely.
Start screen share. Have you done any of it? And I just the doorbell just rang, so I'm gonna go check it out real quick.
All right, cool. Actually, no. I've been trying to pair up for quite some time, and I haven't been able. So, I want to start let me check. All right, cool. Let me just try and share my screen as well. There you go. Well, I guess.
Okay.
Let me try to share the entire screen. All right, cool. Let's see.
So, I'm Michael, by the way.
Oh, Michael, I'm Pat.
Hi, Pat.
Actually, but Pat is a lot easier, man.
Yeah. Pat's easy. Okay.
Not on these 3 times. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. So yes, you may see I haven't go ahead and done a lot from it. So I just
So
have to
you've
go.
already done some. So
Actually, not much. I've been trying to go ahead and test some of the initial ones, but for some reason I'm getting like some sort of issues. But that's okay.
okay, well, you are ahead of me. So I just finished the first one.
Okay.
And yours looks yours is a little different than what I did.
Oh, I mean, you probably got it right because I'm having like a lot of issues with the tests, and I was trying to, figure out what's going on with it.
So are you further than what you have right here?
No, that's about it. That's
okay,
it.
then we're at the same spot then. Okay. So I did it. If you look at my screen, you'll see what my two functions are, I guess.
All right. So you haven't initialized with okay.
And you need to take that optional argument because the first RSpec test is a test where you don't get a correct API key.
Yeah, that's probably why I'm having the issue with the RSpec. It's telling me that something like, and you have like your, let's see, because you have something different from what I had. Let me just go ahead and. Key, like empty.
I'm pretty sure you can have both of those at API keys just on the outside.
Just on the outside?
Yeah, so at API key. It's all, and all on one line.
Like on let me check real quick. Let me check what you have, because when I'm trying to do like assigning to the
A ternary, I know.
Yeah, ternary operator.
Right.
However,
so mine currently is a ternary in the poetry mode that Ruby does. You can also do it like this.
Hi.
Oh yeah, well that does make sense. Yeah.
So both ways will work.
Yeah. What's that by? 1 sec. So right here, I'm not assigning my API key.
Well, I think you should just assign that instance variable.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I do understand. The thing is that I think that I'm actually assigning it here, right? Assigning it.
I know you are. It's just ugly.
It's just ugly, right? Well, let's just leave it like that then. It's just one line.
No, so I don't think you understand. I see how I have it currently.
Let me check this. I'm having some trouble trying to move from. Alright, so you have API key. If API key empty, then yeah, looks pretty.
But even you can, if you like your ternary syntax better than that, you can go do it like this.
Yeah, just like that. Oh well, that looks even better. All right, cool. Let's try to do that then.
I personally, I don't like the, I don't like poetry mode normally.
No.
I don't know if you obviously don't either. If you're not using it.
No, I'm not. I don't like it very much, but still.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Right, cool,
I don't like a lot of how Ruby operates, but that's different.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't give you. Well, it gives you a lot of freedom, which is something that I don't like.
Do you come from Python too?
No, actually, I come from C#.
So even less freedom.
Even less freedom, man. It sucks. Let me
I
try.
like Sharp.
Hey, Charles.
Hey,
Hey Charles,
how you doing?
doing good. Looks like it's finally working now, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So.
Let's just have it as you have it.
And then, so when you have your errors function like, or your validation function like that.
Mm-hmm. Oh no, my tests, they actually just as the way I had it, they actually just show up as pending for some reason. I actually removed the pending.
Oh, you have to go to your RSpec and remove the pending.
I actually did that. I don't know why it's still like, because when I had it with the optional parameters that I had before, it just told me that it were pending. When I removed the optional parameters, it told me that it was failing. It was some sort of weird stuff. Oh, well.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah. And right. Oh, I know I forgot the value that the API key must have. It's in the here it is. I need this.
I thought earlier you came up with a better statement than that, right?
Who, me?
Yeah. You guys came out with the a better one, let me type it. 3A something, and wait. me see. You have a API key equal to API key, and, that one, or API.
Charles, you're kind of going in and out for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you? Oh, never
Same
mind.
here.
Oh yeah. That's the one.
Yeah.
You just type in the chat. That's the one. I think that.
Yeah.
Oh, not that one, but the one that I type. That one looks cleaner, right? The one I just type.
Yeah, so the difference is between using the poetry mode, and I personally like the one that you have, yes.
Okay.
That one would be my, but it's not quite, you're missing one thing. You are missing one question mark.
Oh, does it require two?
Well, the first question mark is part of the method empty, and then there's a space, and then a question mark that is part of the ternary syntax.
You're right. Yeah.
So, Pat, are you getting things to work yet?
Yeah, actually, yeah. I'm just trying to run the test right now. For some reason, it's not running for me. Let's see why. Let me check my specs. Yeah, Oracle Bacon, describe women's form, Kevin Fisher, whatever. Yeah, this is one. Oracle. So, to be able to run this. Pretty sure I'm doing something wrong here to run this. Yeah.
What do you?
Trying to run the test, but I forgot the command to do so, which happens more often than I would like to admit.
So if you look at describing your instance, Pat, I still see pending equals true. See that?
Oh, you see? In the let's see, describe.
So describe Oracle Bacon before all. Describe instance pending equals true, or pending is true, whatever. You see that?
Going forward, because I describe instance.
Right at the top.
Oh, right at the top.
Describe Oracle Bacon before all. Describe instance pending.
Oh, yeah, I see it right here. Wow. Damn, that was bad.
No, it's all right.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can go ahead real quick. I'm just gonna check this out. What the hell? This is not working. All right.
So what is not working for you?
Oh, I'm trying to run the test, but for some reason it's telling me that it's not being able to load the file for some reason.
If you're right now in Oracle of Bacon, that folder, and you can just run auto test if you like.
Yeah, auto test wasn't working for me for some reason. That gem is not like. I think I should have it around here somewhere. I mean, do you guys mess with the gem file, or do you leave it just as it was?
Let me look at my notes. I needed to run some. Actually, I saw you earlier, engineer. Well, I'm sorry, I didn't get your name.
Michael.
Michael. Okay, Michael. Hi. So I saw you ran earlier. Is that build or something? Some command that you need to run? I had it in notes, but I don't have it with me right now. Let me try to find it.
Well,
Okay, I found it.
so just to make sure that all the gems are actually installed. Do you see
Oh,
what? Bundle install without production. I put it in the chat.
Yeah, I don't even have a production group, so
So then just bundle install, I guess. I don't know.
yeah, I guess. Let's see, let me just get. Oh, track. Right, so this should be. I'm sure I already have them like. Let's see. There you go. Oh yeah, I have them all installed. Yeah.
okay.
I don't want to do an update because I don't know if that will screw it up, considering that we have like, or maybe I don't know, maybe because I mean the version of RSpec is 3.3.0, right, for all of us. Do we have the same version?
Um,
I don't know.
Yeah, that's I think in the gem file it's specified somewhere. I mean it says RSpec in the test group 3.3.0. I mean
what command
none of you guys have messed up with the gem file, right? Or
have messed up?
No, I haven't. I didn't touch the gem file. All I did was run that. I installed the gems that were in
all
there.
right, cool. Yeah, all right then. Because I was reading about that thing that Charles was saying about the auto test, but I mean, for me, I just run the command and it just keeps like running, running, running. It doesn't do anything. So
Oh, yeah. I don't like the auto test feature actually. So,
Oh,
but maybe it's just because I'm not used to it.
I don't know. That will. This might seem like a weird question. How do you guys run tests?
What's that?
How do you guys run your tests? Because I'm trying to do the RSpec thing. RSpec, the name of the file.
Well, if you're in your home folder, just run rspec.
I'm in the
No,
spec
see, yeah.
folder.
So now just run rspec.
There you go.
So you're getting some sort of error.
Yeah, I'm getting some sort of saying that.
Can you scroll up a little bit? Yeah.
Let me try and make it a little. I don't know how to zoom on this thing. This time it's requiring syntax error apparently. Home pillar word here, Oracle of Bacon, Ruby line 8. No, 18, I think. Let's see if I'm having something. Nope.
Where is 18?
It says like there's a syntax error. Oh, undefined end of input. There must be a missing end somewhere. Oh, right. Ah, yeah, there it is. The API key thing. I forgot to
Yeah,
put the
else end.
done if yeah. Well.
oh,
All right, there you go. Everything's failing.
yeah.
That's good.
That's a weird error message.
Yeah, it was really weird.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Instance with only from specified. Okay, so Mike, are you getting the same errors, or you got all this to pass already?
I've got part 1 to pass.
Oh, you got part 1 to pass?
Yeah, and so here, this is what maybe you should run. rspec. 1 sec.
Oh wow. All right, I'll try and run that. All right, still get 11 failures, which is a little bit less of what I was getting.
Can you scroll up so we can see the messages?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, sure. Let's see. Failure before each, bacon, fake API key, undefined local variable.
Undefined local variable.
Oh, yeah, because I have. I mean, do I have that already still? On my... No, I don't have... Oh, yeah, of course, yeah, because I have this. Oh, shit. I have the optional arguments that I was using.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, now I get 2.
Can
Wunderbar.
you scroll up, please?
Says the failure, it should not be
Can you,
valid.
can you scroll up?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Should not be valid. Can I see your valid?
Yeah, it's not like...
Yeah, so I think you should use... I don't think that's the appropriate way to define validity.
Okay.
It's...
I mean, I haven't even tried to... Alright, let's see.
and I don't know why. Like, I don't know what's going on underneath the scenes. This is part of why I don't like Rails. Everything's fucking magic instead of being explicit. But the errors dot... You're supposed to add the error message to this errors object that is just there for some reason.
It's more like a hash of errors, right?
Yeah, it's a hash of errors. So if you look at my screen, you'll see what you need to put in there.
From does not equal to. Also, you have that already. Do you have validations? No, you have the same ones that I have. Alright, so let's see. I can reduce this to just one screen. Oh wow. Let me see. So what you have is like adding. Alright, so and does that work out for you? That's it?
Yeah.
I mean, is there any reason to it, or
Why? Because this is the way that Rails validates. You're supposed to add, if there's an error, you're supposed to add the key that is an error and a message
and
to
the message of the error? Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's just some like method that you actually. Oh no, here it is. Yeah.
I sent a link
Oh.
to it.
I getcha.
Yeah.
Where's the add? No, just add the.
So hey, Charles.
Yeah.
So for this error, it's actually 2 keys that are an error, right? There's a relationship between the from and the to that is
Right.
violated. Do you know if there's a way to put in more than just 1 key? Like, what if I guess I can just try this? What
No,
if
it's actually 1 key, right? You just put in 1 key right now, right? That's what you're doing right now.
that is what I'm doing now, but it's not technically that just 1 key is an error. It's that the relationship between the 2
Exactly.
keys is an
Yeah.
error.
No, I do not. I do not know. Maybe let me take a look and see if we can do that.
Yeah, you test it out. Let me know.
I'll let you know. Generates variables or if it's. Alright, cool. Let's see.
Do you guys know the Ruby command to find the available methods on an object?
Valid methods on an object. Yeah, I think it's a method. However, you like to call methods minus the object class methods, or else you'll get like a shitload of methods. But you can try and do that.
So how do you do that?
I mean, if you have IRB installed,
Yeah.
yeah, so just go into IRB. Let's say array, just do puts or print array.methods. That should give you all the methods for array.
Ah,
And if you do put dot array dot method minus object dot methods, it doesn't do shit, so don't do that. It will do something different. Um, I know there's a way to do that. I think there's a, let's see, array.
method add doc looks pretty good.
Yeah, there's a singleton methods, and I just sent a link that has the reflection on Ruby that you
Thank
can
you.
look at. I'm not familiar with that. That's why I'm doing the search.
I mean, it's useful.
Yeah.
I mean, the Ruby documentation is pretty good, actually.
Right. Yeah.
Cool if you want to know if an object that you have defined has access to a particular method, but if not, just go to for the documentation, because there you'll find everything.
Right.
And by the way, let me just get rid of this thing. Oh, now I'm getting some more errors, actually. I'm pretty sure there must be some weird stuff with my version of everything. I'm pretty sure there was a way to find out the if you're still interested in those. Let's see.
So, Charles, do you know how to traverse this XML object, the Nokogiri object?
If you take a look at the error, let me find my code. You know how there's you actually call doc dot x path,
Yeah.
and then in strat and let me type it out. I can barely say that. Doc x path, then ERROR. There's actually an example in the code that's already given. And if you take a look at that, you can. That's how you traverse and look at particularly the error ones. And if you look at if you want to traverse movie or actor, then you do something similar to that.
I see. I see.
Here, I just found my code. Give me a second here. Okay, that if you go down a little bit, there's a class called response, and there's a parse response, something really similar to that. That's how you traverse it, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, and once you traverse it, then you can probably do something similar to this. That's how you put them into a map with just the text of for example, that error or match. What do you call that? XML. What the property or is that a node?
Wow.
So what's going on?
right, so
Okay, so what are the known responses, I guess?
Well, so basically, you need to have a type, return a type, and the data is unknown response. Right? That's a known response one. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at parse error response,
Yeah, it lets you know how to do it.
yeah, exactly.
Unknown.
Uh, Patrick, how do you pronounce your name?
Michael?
No, no, Patrick.
oh
Pat.
no, Pat is easier, man. Yeah, don't stress it.
Okay, Patrick. I'm seeing you're trying to use that in that make URI from oh sorry, I can see your screen now.
Oh, wait,
URI
wonder. Oh, good lord.
make
All right.
URI from arguments, right? You're trying to create that yourself. You probably shouldn't be doing that. You should use the CGI. In CGI, there's a escape method that you can call to get the escape code.
I'm not following you.
Let me take a look. Can you go down? Yeah, there.
Yeah, over here.
Line, yeah.
Oh yeah, to make the yeah. What was that you were telling me?
Let me type it out. Something like this.
Okay.
You should probably use this CGI escape. That's if you look at the top of the of your file, there's a CGI require CGI, right?
Okay. Yeah.
CGI has that escape method that you can use so that you would parse it correctly for you.
Oh, and the parsed is corrected for you.
Yeah, it generate that code correctly for you.
Ah,
Yeah,
that's cool.
it's more reliable to use that.
Yeah, yeah. I was just trying to go for regular expressions, but
Yeah.
well, let me see how have you done that. Let me try and find it. All right. So you say there's
No, on top of your Oracle of Bacon.Ruby.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a CGI.
Okay.
Oh, right, for
Yeah.
escaping URIs.
Right.
Oh, right. All
Right.
right.
That's what you can use.
What you trying to do?
Oh, because I was trying to parse the URI myself, to create the. I mean, I was trying to parse the instance variables that I have in order to create the URI. But Michael says that there's. I mean, Charles says that there's something
Yeah.
over here, kind of a module.
But are you already parsing responses, or are you moving on to part 2?
Moving on to part two, because apparently my testing suite is kind of. You see what I'm getting now, which is.
Wait, is that what you get when you type in the command that I showed you?
The one that instance, let me check. Oh no, I don't have it now. Right, instance or whatever. Like this.
Yeah, that might need to be in quotes.
That might be in quotes, right? Yeah, it's in quotes actually. All right, let me see. Oh, there you go.
There you go. Okay.
You're the bomb.
Now the second one that we need to do is parsing XML response.
Okay.
And for that, we have to edit this class response that we have.
Yeah, over here. All right, so we are getting like some sort of Nokogiri element. No, I mean the element that Nokogiri returns.
Yeah.
It automatically parses it into something that's readable apparently by Ruby, right?
Correct, I think.
But
So let me figure out what Michael was telling me about that module, the CGI thing, to parse the
CGI one is to construct the Earl. So we don't. The constructing the Earl is until part 3 or part 4.
Oh yeah. Oh well, then I can leave that for later.
Part 2 is about parsing the XML response.
Okay. Let me see.
Charles, how'd you get it to notice that we have a graph? Oh, I guess if there's an actor or a movie.
Yeah. There's a. Let me see. My system rebooted earlier. Let me see if I can find the Oracle. I actually went to give me a second. Let me try to. Yeah, you actually type in the URL on your browser to be able to look at the actual XML files.
Yeah, I know, and I can look at the XML files, and I can look at the examples that they gave us too.
Okay, so there's like a spell check, a link. I'm sorry, link. Here, I just type it.
So for graph, you search for link.
Right.
For spell check, you search for spell check.
Correct.
For unauthorized access, you search for error. And unknown is just other.
Unknown, just else.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know that one. That part never actually worked for me, but they're not testing that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of.
So doc.xpath.
Oh yeah. That is the example that they gave.
So parse error response. Parse spell check response. So what should the data be then, when it's a spell check?
It'll be
You can look at the spell check example.xml that you.
So should it be at doc.xpath?
Right,
Match.
and then slash.
Got
Yeah.
it. Should this just be children, or is there like an option between actor and movie for when it's a graph?
Well, when it's a graph, it's a little tricky because you actually want to search for. Let me take a look at it. There's a actor and movie, right?
Yeah, and you want to keep its order.
Right. You need to. There's a function in array called zip, where you can use the first array, zip second array, and then you do a flat. Let me see. Give me a second. Graph. Then you need to flatten it.
Wait.
You need to flatten it and then do compact it to get the neo out. You know how you will have, for example, like 3 actors and then 2 movies that they share, right? So when you concatenate, when you zip it, then it would.
What the?
What happened?
How come it's? How come? Can you only?
You're only running instance, right? Yeah.
Shoot.
Hmm. So the way to find. Okay. So at doc.xpath. How come that's not matching?
It should return an array. What's your doc right now?
Yeah, an empty array. But
So I'm on spell check. I have a bunch of these match elements.
Right?
And I can't get at any of them. Look, and so now, how do I actually get those elements?
You do a map with the text.
Wait, so
Like,
I'm on the spell check one right now, okay?
right.
Okay, so you're telling me there's not an easy way to access the elements?
Yeah, there is. I just text you in the chat. I forgot where I find.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Oh, that's no key, no code, gili, no gili.
For length, okay, 34. I see. I see.
all right, all right.
So that's pretty cool how you got. I don't know this trick.
Yeah, I forgot where I found it, but
So let me just see.
I need to make it a habit. Whenever I found it, I put a link in the code. So
Yeah, that's pretty nifty.
yeah.
What's the the normal way? So something like this. Item.
Select or something. Wait, collect.
Does it not collect?
Did collect.
Isn't that why wouldn't that work?
Define a comparable method item. Item is the one that's not defined, apparently. But from where? Yeah, just wrap it inside a block or
Yeah,
something.
there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I haven't programmed the Ruby in a month, so I wanted to make sure I
Right. Yeah.
remember how to do this. But I like your syntax. It's good. Okay. Oops. Save.
Oh, let's see. It's a little bit high.
Everything being a Nokio-Giri instance really makes it hard to parse this.
Say that again.
Hmm. Okay. So I give up. How did you map on either actor or?
Oh, I mentioned earlier
Yeah.
in the
On either actor or movie?
right. There's a flatten. No. There's a zip. Array
It's
zip.
got to be an easier way, right?
Yeah. There's a always for Ruby, I guess. There's a in that link that I just sent. It has a way to if you take a look at it, that array zip link that I just sent. Can you,
Yeah.
okay. If you bring it up in the browser, then there's a pinkish area where it has code. So A equal to 456 and B equal to 789 array. Both of them are arrays. If you zip them together, then they become like that, right? Become like what do you call it?
Yeah,
Two
yeah,
by
like
two, or 3 by 3 array, right? And then
Yeah.
you flatten it. You
Yeah.
flatten it with one of the links above. There's a
Yeah.
flatten method. You can call flatten, then you would become 147258369.
but wouldn't flatten actually return the elements of the array or something like that in
Right. Right. Like for example,
if you have a two.
you have this. Let me see. Maybe I should use the example like actor one. What was it? We have actor one, actor
Oh
two.
yeah, so flatten will actually just return like an array with just I mean a two-dimensional array will turn into just one-dimensional array.
Exactly. So for example,
Yeah.
if we have actor one and actor two, I just type it out, actor one, actor two, and then movie, right? And then
Okay.
that was A and A and M, right? So if we A zip, then B, then this would give us what do you call that? This would give us actor one, movie,
Movie.
and actor two, nil. It would return that. Can you see what I just typed?
Let me check. I'm really checking it out. All right, cool. So you are
It's in the group chat.
in the group chat. All right. So if you do an XPath match.
Yeah, there. The last one.
Yeah, the last one. Yeah, if you do ACB, it will do. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean, we'll do like actor, movie, actor, nil.
Right.
Actor,
So
movie, actor, nil.
right. And then if you flatten that A zip B, then you do flatten.
It will give you actor, movie, actor, nil.
Exactly.
And then you
Exactly.
compact it and remove all the nils.
And a nil, then you do a compact
A compact, yeah.
compact to remove the nil.
The nils. Ah.
That's how I use it. I don't know if there's even faster way to do that, but that's
Wait,
how.
well, I mean the hard part will be like parsing the XML into Ruby code, I guess. But I think that if we
Well, no, your doc X path with actor will get you all the actors, right?
that would give me all the actors, right?
Right,
Oh,
right.
yeah, of course, we'll turn it into yeah.
And then the movie is with a slash movie, you get all the movies.
You'll get all the movies.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. So what would you get on the 5 mil
Wait,
zip?
it's not zip. What is it?
No, that would be you need to do the XPath actor then dot zip. Right, correct. And
Yeah,
that's
that would be it.
Yeah.
That should work.
yeah.
That's so ugly.
Yeah, I know.
As hell.
Gotta be a better way. Why can't I just grab all their children? What the frick?
I know.
You can. Let's see. Let me see the no cookie thing here. All right. From XML.
Or maybe you could. Maybe that's a better way. I don't know.
The children have these stupid, like
I think
the
I
new
think there's-
line. Like
I think there's a way to get rid of all those new lines and everything. There must be a way for no cookie to actually get rid of all that.
What happened when you do a map?
Here we go.
Yeah, a map, and then do that item thing, the one that you, text. No, I thought you have like item then item dot text. Child dot text. Maybe that will work.
Actually, remove the just add the shell.text. I guess that text will actually just remove everything for you.
Yeah, I think.
Oh,
Yeah, just do shell.text like that. Oh shit.
Okay.
so
Still same thing, man. Whoa. Oh yeah, you still have the lines. Yeah.
Oh.
oh,
Oh well, look at that.
that's so frustrating.
Can you do a
Here we
shield
go. Here we go. Child.text. What is it? Is there a match in Ruby? Right?
No.
for? Let me see.
Here we go.
You got it?
Ah. Wait, there's no unselect. I thought there was a select. If there's a select, there's
What about put a
yeah, a bing.
yeah. Yeah, put that.
Screw the shell.
You just want to actually map the item. Yeah, map the text.
Mm. Oh, oh. So now if I can just get it all into one thing, how do I pass? Will this work? Okay. Could someone more familiar with me to Ruby syntax help me out here?
What about bang child text match?
So the question is how do I pass this block? I know I can pass it without parentheses by just going like this,
Okay.
but then I can't method chain to map.
Okay,
So,
go backspace. Okay. No, go forward. Okay, backspace back one. Yeah, and then type question mark, and then if it's not that, then you
oh, you're the best.
file.text or something.
No, because this is selecting. This is selecting.
You're selecting.
Mm-hmm.
You're selecting that. Selecting.
Here we go. I got it. No,
You can use map, right?
So the question is, here's the question, right? The question is, how do I send a block without this parenthesis syntax?
You can do a do.
There has to be a way to do that, right?
Yeah, I think that if you do instead of doing the, I mean, the thing is that you use this syntax whenever you have like just one line of code because it looks prettier. But if not, just do a do end block.
Okay, you
Which
it
will
out?
technically do the same thing, but because I don't know what you want to do after you do the match.
Okay, here I'll do it in 2 lines right here. Okay. So
Okay.
the first one is matching, and I'm saving it in this thing A, which is just
Okay,
another array,
Okay.
right? And now I'm doing a.map item.text. So I just want to chain those into 2 things. I mean, I could just do it.
Yeah, but that doesn't look nice. Yeah, I know what you're trying to do. Because probably.
What? Hey, man. Wait a minute. Doesn't that look like it works?
Oh, it
It
does
did work, but it worked in 2 lines instead of in two call.
Oh, well then it doesn't hurt. I mean, right?
Right. I want to know how there has to be a way to do this in Ruby. It's a method chain.
Yeah, definitely there is, but can't you just no? Because you're actually making data another array by selecting all those childs, and then you want to that array map it, or just make it another array. I mean, I guess that's the way you have to go for. I don't know what you're doing right now.
So that's what I did just now. So let's see if this works actually. Oh, get rid of the by bug.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right.
So
Whoa.
if either of you figure out how to method chain, please send me an email because this is ugly, and I would
it's
like.
not that ugly, man. It looks like kind of pretty.
Well, it would look prettier if I could do select and then map. You know.
Yeah. Well, the thing is that since select gets like a block and the map also gets a block, as a
Right.
Yeah, I don't know if. I mean, there must be a way. But
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna
But what about put in the first statement, the right side of the first statement in the parentheses, and then dot map?
Yeah, that's why I tried doing that, and then when I pass it via parenthesis, it breaks. So I don't know. This is part of like the magic of.
Really? Huh. Okay. I would have thought that would work.
Did you try it?
No, I didn't try. I'm gonna try that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Have either of you been able to get it to work?
Yeah.
Nope.
Looks like it worked.
Oh, look, it worked this time when I tried changing
Yeah.
it. Huh.
Yeah. It looks like it worked. I just did that.
Well, I don't know why it didn't work the first time.
You were trying it in bug, right? Or
No, I think it must have been I had a space somewhere. But yeah, that looks like it works.
yeah, it does.
Oh, you didn't even need parentheses. That's good.
Well, when you have parentheses around it, does it work?
Yeah, it did.
So if you went like parenthesis here, parenthesis here.
I type it there, parentheses there, and then at the very beginning.
No, see, it breaks mine.
No, you forgot one. No, not that.
No, he has them.
That. I mean, yeah, at the very beginning of on the very right. No, did you see my text? Just right before doc.
Yeah, like wrap everything inside.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like this?
Right, and then parentheses just right before dot map.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought I needed that, but it looks like that's not even needed.
Yeah, as long as you don't put spaces in.
Right.
I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna save.
Yeah,
Check it.
that's clever.
We're good. Let's go on to part 3.
Yeah.
Sorry it's taking so long, guys.
No problem.
I'm really
good,
good,
man.
rusty.
Yeah.
Constructing the URI.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and do that. That's what.
So,
So where's the make URI argument?
There's actually make your array arguments is a method that's defined after find connections. It's actually right at the top. No, not at the top, but
Above response? Okay.
above response. Yeah.
And so now I assume we have to call this URI library somehow?
I guess that we have. Let's see.
there's a CGI, and then you can just construct it just like a string.
Yeah, that's what.
So should I look up the CGI doc?
No, there's a CGI escape. That's the critical.
That's part of what we need right now. So.
Yeah.
I know. So I've never used the CGI
Me either.
before, so I need to take a look at.
Here it is. I actually pasted it earlier. Here it is.
So I can say CGI params.
No, CGI dot escape. That's what you can escape. You know how in URI or UI, you need to escape the spaces.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it does. The escape.
API. Wait. Did you put something in the chat that has this?
Yeah, I just did that.
I see. Oh, CGI.
Escape, and then that from or to or whatever that.
Yeah, let's give it. Okay, so it will. So you have to call it for each of the arguments that you're going to pass into the URI.
Right.
Huh.
You can, so basically you have to have something like HTTP something, and then you can put whatever you want. You can put the CGI escape and from. Let me see. So that's one single example there. HTTP and then blah 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 and then that parameter there, right?
Okay.
You see what am I type?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So that's basically how you construct.
Oh, so you do it from the right inside the HTTP.
Yeah, you could do that.
You can do it both ways. That's fine.
Yeah.
Either way is fine.
I mean, unless we have to write. I think we'll need to escape the API key, right?
Say that again?
Okay, I don't think. I guess we don't have to escape the API key or something.
I don't think so.
Since it's just like a string, no spaces, no nothing.
Yeah.
Right, that's correct. Yeah.
All right. This. So we build the URI, I guess. So we build.
Yeah, looks like that should work. Yeah.
Let's see what you have.
P, but your two it should be
Oh shit!
yeah.
Yeah, it should be like an instance variable.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks right now.
Because I forgot to change it. I had the some local variables here.
Right, that's correct. Yeah.
Alrighty. So no legal characters. Blah blah blah. At the end of this project, specs and.
Oh, you're still running instance. You don't want that. You want to run the constructing URI.
Hmm?
Okay.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Sorry.
You just ran a command line with the instance, but you don't want to just run.
Oh shoot! Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
See which one.
Replace that with the constructing URI.
Constructing URI.
Right.
That's how you do it. Alright. There you go.
Oh. I
All
take
right.
pending equals true out too.
I did take that one. Oh no. Well, on service connection, no, but on constructing URI, yeah.
No good.
What are you getting?
That's no good. What?
I'm getting two of those. I'm not getting the fake key one actually.
So
See,
what did I do wrong? We'll take a look at what I did.
Your George Clooney, the second one is that. Oh, what is that?
That's technically exactly what I did. Let me see if the probably there's a type on the URI or something.
Did you type? Did you assign it to URI?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did assign it to URI. However, I assigned it to the instance variable URI of the
18.
class. Instead of the you have a local variable over there, I just assigned
Yeah.
it to the instance one.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right, you passed. You passed everything. Oh man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Escape the API key too.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that.
Huh, but I didn't need to do that. That's weird.
Do you need to escape it?
Oh. Oh, because they huh.
It's
Yeah, you're
probably-
right. You probably need to, but it that's right. You keep one bogus one, right?
Yeah.
The test. Yeah.
I'm still getting two of them. Two wrong. Let me check why.
Did you change anything else besides that line?
No, that's about it.
Okay. Well, I'm just
Oh,
gonna
like-
copy paste my line.
That's one that you have. Let me just blatantly copy it.
I mean, it's the same thing.
I guess. Let's see. Oh yeah, there was something yours had and mine didn't. Yeah, there you go.
Very good.
Yeah, probably a typo or something.
Okay. Next on the test,
Old school.
service connection.
Connecting servers.
All right. What am I supposed to do now?
So please notice.
So that basically it says that you want to convert all of those into network error that we define above, right?
Rebase. Yeah. Modifier.
So you would raise that error as a network error.
Wait.
There's no problem. Base mechanism. Alright, so yeah, if something goes wrong, we'll just raise the Oracle of Bacon network error or something like that.
Right.
I don't really understand what we need to do.
Let's see.
See in the find connections,
Yep.
in that method there are two places where you say your code here, right? So the first one on top in the rescue block, you basically you collect all the errors into a E, right? Variable.
Yeah. So we're only gonna rescue the. I mean, no. Go ahead. Go ahead.
and then now you just need to then raise that RAIS. You need to raise a network error.
Oracle Bacon Network.
Wait, so after rescue, just raise.
So you let's say, for example, you get a timeout error, right?
Yeah.
And it does a rescue, and then you collect that to a variable called E.
Okay.
You
That's
was
already done for us, right?
say that again?
That is already done for us, correct?
Exactly. And now it says convert all of these into a generic network error, but with that error message. So it's basically you raise a
network error and just pass it the message of E.
exactly. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's all that you need.
Well, let's try it out then. Raise. Just raise, right?
Yeah, raise and then network.
Oracle of Bacon
that's fine.
Network error.
Yeah, Oracle of Bacon, then column network. Yeah.
Comma DE dot message must be something, right?
Yeah, I guess, but I just use E.
E, and that's it?
E, yeah.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it's the exception itself.
But wouldn't the exception be the network error?
Yeah, but we pass it as a network error, right?
Okay, all right. I get you, yeah. Well, if
And then the second your code here that you would just return that response object, right?
we need to create the response object, yeah.
Right. And then in the constructor of response object we have XML, so we just simply pass.
Wait, am I doing this wrong?
I don't see yours. Finish.
Let me see. You have raise Oracle. I guess that's what I have. Your response.
Oh, response done.
That new, I guess. And it needs an XML.
You want to set it to the response variable, right?
Yeah, but you don't need to set it. You just need to return it, I think. Looks like it's good.
Let me see. We do not have a response error. Okay. So Michael, is it all good for you?
All good, I think.
Cool.
Thank you very much, Charles.
No problem. No problem.
I hope we gave you some value.
Oh no. Yeah. You came up with that good solution to link. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually did.
I'm glad it wasn't a waste of your time.
No, it wasn't. It's fun.
So
thanks for dragging me around, actually. So.
I don't think there's that many people in
this cohort.
Yeah, in the part 2.
Yeah.
In the part 1, I felt like it was really easy to find people to pair with.
Right.
I don't know if it'll be as easy this time. So if you guys want to just send an email out next week when you're ready to pair.
Sure. Sure. That'll be great, man. Learning a lot from all of you.
It's a really good way. It's even though maybe it took I had to knock a lot of Ruby rust off, but it was very valuable. So thank you guys.
Sure.
Definitely.
So can we where do we get the link of this?
Oh yeah, can you share the link? Can you send us an email with that?
Yeah, sure. Let me see how I do that. So your screening. I don't want to mess this up, so please do tell me what I have to do now.
There should be like a broadcast link.
Right, I have like a. All right, let me just check this out real quick.
Like share the YouTube link.
Let me see. Cameraman, website connection, control room. All right, something over here. No, this is not what we're looking for. All right, there's a link down here. YouTube
Yeah.
page. That's the link that you need?
Oh,
Yeah. Here, can you share that YouTube link real quick?
I'll just post it down here. Alright, so if this thing over here,
Yep, that'll work perfectly. Thank you.
that's the one?
oh,
Yep.
good. Okay, great. Thanks.
Perfect. Alright, guys, you have a good one.
You too. Thanks.
All right, guys. Talk to you later.
Alright, see ya. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, great. Thanks.
Perfect. Alright, guys, you have a good one.
You too. Thanks.
All right, guys. Talk to you later.
Alright, see ya. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.